Introduce highlight features or overview summary of Seeutek 12x15 5-in-1 heat press machine. There are features include 5-in-1 heat press with 30 ounces tumbler attachment. This versatile 5-in-1 heat press includes a tumbler press compatible with 11, 16, 20, and 30 ounces skinny tumblers, as well as straight mugs. The upgraded cast aluminum heating plate with Teflon coating and bonus Teflon sheets protect your vinyl and fabrics while delivering consistent, professional quality transfers. 12x15 swing-away design for safety and precision. The 12x15 shirt press features a 360 degrees swing-away design, keeping the heating plate safely away from you while positioning materials. With 110V power, a temperature range of 0 to 482 degrees Fahrenheit or 0 to 250 degrees Celsius, and a digital control box, you can easily set precise time and temperature for different projects. Digital control with auto shut-off and alarm. The LCD control panel allows accurate time, 0 to 999 seconds, and temperature adjustment in Fahrenheit or Celsius. Heating stops automatically once the preset temperature is reached, and an audible alarm alerts you when the timer finishes. No guesswork, no overheating. Adjustable pressure and modular design. Easily adjust pressure using the top-mounted pressure knob to accommodate different material thicknesses. The detachable lower platform and interchangeable heating elements make switching between t-shirts, tumblers, hats, and plates quick and convenient. Removable silicone and cotton pads improve transfer results and simplify maintenance. Wide application for DIY and small business use, ideal for heat transfer vinyl, sublimation, and HTV projects on t-shirts, hats, mugs, plates, tiles, coasters, and more. Works with cotton, linen, polyester blends, chemical fiber, and nylon, perfect for DIY crafting, personalized gifts, etc. shops, and small businesses. If you want to get full features or full reviews, please visit the link in YouTube description. You can press to subscribe, recommend new products releases, update all day YouTube channel, to get instant notifications of all future uploads. Thank you and see you next video.